welcome to my channel again, Irresistible Caking with Ann Sapore. Welcome to 2021, a year that we are hoping will be filled with joy and laughter for every one of us. So last year I made or posted a video on how to make stable whipped cream with whipping cream, okay? And it was actually like a kind of experiment, I would say. Okay, because I'm used to making whipping cream with powder, whipping cream powder. So I decided to use the liquid version of it. So I liked the outcome. It was stable for more than 12 hours, and I'm sure it could have stayed much longer, but because it was eaten before 12 hours, before the expiration of 13 hours, so I guess that is stable enough. And the weather was pretty hot that day, so I went ahead and made another video on how to make stable whipped cream with gelatin. This is another experiment. Although I have tried making whipping cream with gelatin before, but I must say it was a total failure. I hated the outcome. In fact, I practically scraped it out of my cake and threw it away. But this time, I did something differently. I did what I would call a liaison. I took some whipping cream and added to my gelatin, mixed it together before introducing the whole gelatin to my mixture. And I must say I totally liked the outcome. But I really don't know if there's any difference between the whipped cream with gelatin and the whipped cream without gelatin. I don't know, because they both stayed out for quite long, for more than 12 hours before they were both eaten. So you could give it a trial on your own. I am on the hunt for the perfect whipping cream. So, but another thing I would like to state though is I used the same kind of whipping cream. So in my next video, I'll probably be looking for another kind of whipping cream. So just keep watching, keep liking, keep subscribing. If you are new to my channel and you haven't subscribed, there's a subscribe button down here. Just hit it now, and also don't forget to press the notification bell so that you will know when we post videos like this. Wishing you the best year ever. Thank you for watching. Let's dive into the video now.